Unsay mo? Asa man ani? Mata ng bibi. Shh, tug na tug balik. Shh, isus ng ulong. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus.
Record by what? Look.
I don't know what to do. There is no easy way of letting go, but I know there's no sense in holding on too much to something fading. Help me, help me. Look, naiititod. Ay, Diyos ko, taon. Help me get over you. Deep inside, I just don't know what to feel. Oh, I'm sure you don't need me anymore, so I'll go on. Try my best to just move on. Now that it's over. Tang kay Bokatang.